So, ayun guys, naangat na. Hinayaan ko nakatayo for about 3 hours now. Hinayaan ko muna bumaba yung oil. So ayan, as you can see, ang daming langis. So parang nagbuga ng langis yung tambutso. It's sad, but I think that's part of the life. Na handling this equipment, you know, things like that happen and we learn from that experiences. We're hoping na wala masyadong na damage. I-check ko muna yung oil level niya. Then from there, we're gonna see if we have enough oil to try to run it, and hopefully it's gonna run okay. So sa nakikita ko, wala naman naghalo na, kasi kung may halong tubig puputi yan o kaya maglolobo-lobo. Medyo kalahati pa naman yung oil. So thank God. Ayan. Okay, malinis naman yung tubig. So hopefully aandar siya na yung problema. Hopefully, inshallah. Right. Now we're gonna take her up. We're gonna clean her up muna para ma-observe muna natin if everything's working well. Thank God pa rin na walang nasaktan. So thankful na tayo doon, thank God. Alhamdulillah. For another day, tuloy pa rin ang adventure.